In the new Photos app, you'll see your little iCloud profile picture in the top right-hand corner of the screen. But sometimes you'll get a little coloured circle, like this orange one alongside it. That basically means that your photo library on the phone is not fully synced to iCloud. And if you tap on there, you actually have the option to force that sync to occur whenever you want to. Quite often your phone won't sync on battery power or if it's doing other processor-intensive things, but sometimes you do want that picture to be on the cloud straight away, particularly if you're using a shared library. Simply pressing Sync Now will force your phone to do that sync nice and quickly for you. It's a really simple setting, but it's a good one to have. And on this screen as well, you can find other things about your library. You can change some preferences and some settings here should you need to, such as displaying your shared library, your hidden library, and whether or not media should autoplay when you scroll to it, such as videos in your feed. When I come off of there, the orange circle is gone because my library is now fully synchronized with iCloud Photos. Now iOS 18 has been released, there are so many more things that your phone can do that it simply couldn't do before. I spent my summer playing with iOS 18, and I've made a ton of quick tip videos on my channel down below, but excitingly I've also written my first ebook. I've called it 100 Quick Tips for iOS 18, and if you follow the link below, I promise you're going to find things that you never knew your phone could do now you've updated to iOS 18. I'll see you next time.